So this therapy section will be running for 3 times in a week. A day for each of you and the rest of the day for couples therapy session. And I believe that by the end of this session, we must have achieved the reason why we want to get back to your marriage. Miss Ella, is anything the problem?
I don't remember telling you or anyone that I wanted to get back to this marriage.
But babe.
Look, first and foremost, you don't have the right to call me anything other than Emanuela, my government name, okay? Secondly, who the hell are you to think you can tell me what to say, when to say it, and where to say it? Huh?
Okay. So I want us to relax and I'd want to know what we intend on achieving at the end of this therapy session because it obviously seems that we are all on different pages. So Mr. Patrick, over to you. Tell me, what do you intend on achieving at the end of this therapy session?
I would like my wife and I to get back to the way we were before we got married.
Miss Ella, calm down. Let's give him a listening ear. Maybe after then you can talk. Mr. Patrick, any other thing?
Yeah. I'd like her to please forgive me for everything that I put her through in recent times.
Okay. So, Miss Ella, what about you?
Thank you.
Tell me what you intend on achieving at the end of this therapy session.
Thank you. I would like for him, his family, his friends, and anyone associated with him to leave me the hell alone. That's what I would like.
Okay, so, Miss Ella, why did you still come for this session when you have made up your mind that you don't want to get back to your marriage?
Do I look like I want to be here? I don't. I was forced. Forced and manipulated the way he does every single time, getting me to do things that I don't want to do.
Okay, calm down. Noted. But then, don't you think that since this therapy session has been paid for and, of course, you're here already, you might as well use this opportunity and let some things off your chest? Don't you think? So tell me, what happened? What exactly happened?
Are you sure you really want to know?
That's why we are here. So tell me.
Hey, has she slept?
Yeah, she just slept. Sorry, you have to go to work even if you didn't get enough sleep.
There's a shipment coming in and I need to sort it out, but I'll be back.
Can't one of your boys handle it?
Something I need to do myself. But I'll be back home early. Don't worry.
Okay.
Still have enough money on the card?
I think I do.
Alright, you guys just let me know when you get back from the hospital. If not, I'll worry.
Oh, did you?
Alright, bro. Let me get that. Thank you.
I need to sleep.
I know, I'm tired. I'll sleep when I get back. Alright. Let me know.
I don't think so. We can go on with the business plan. Well, if it is okay by you, we can go with it. Hope you understand what I'm saying, sir. Sir,
Sorry, what did you say?
hope everything is okay.
It's just baby was sick again, and my wife and I we didn't sleep throughout the night.
Oh my God, again? How is she feeling now? Hope you have heard from them.
Yes, my wife called when we were at the warehouse.
Okay, thank God. So,
Huh?
sir, I will advise you go home, have some rest. I'll take the paperwork from here. Maybe tomorrow we'll go through it.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Don't forget to send it to accounts so that they can regularize it and email it to me.
Okay, sir.
All right.
I will.
Oh.
This is a pleasant surprise. You back home earlier than usual.
Yeah, I was sleeping at the office.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Tired.
Yesterday was really crazy.
It was.
What would you like to have for lunch?
Nothing. I just want to drink water.
Sure.
Okay. A glass of water.
All right. Water coming right up.
Really cold. I know you've been stressed out lately.
No.
That's the 5th time you've looked at your phone in the past few minutes.
I'm sorry. It's just that I don't know why. I just keep thinking my phone is going to ring and I'm going to get a news and it's going to ruin the mood.
Maybe. If I didn't know you, I would think you prefer trouble to harmony. Just relax. Baby's with your mom. She's in good hands. Okay?
Yeah, that's true. Let me just put this back.
Listen, I brought you out here to have some fun. Huh? In fact, I have an idea.
What?
Come, dance with me.
No, you're good.
Come. I want to have a little fun.
This night.
I want to have a little fun with my wife.
If people are looking at us and I'm going to make up.
Don't worry about them. It's just me and you. Huh?
All right.
It's just me and you.
Yeah. But I don't know how to dance.
Don't worry. Follow my lead. Follow my lead. Don't worry about them. Nobody's looking at you.
Okay.
Nobody's looking at you. It's just you and me.
But I don't know how to dance though.
Don't worry. Just do what I do.
But they are watching.
They're not watching. It's just you and me. It's just you and me. You and me.
Stop singing. You're going to embarrass
you like
yourself.
my voice? You like my
No.
I would have sworn I saw your car at the lounge yesterday.
Yeah, I went there briefly. I didn't even know you were there.
I was driving in when you were going out.
Oh, okay. What now? Why are you looking at me like that? I took Ella there. So you're doing your face like that. She was a bit stressed out, so I thought I should just take her out for a while, you know.
Okay. I thought maybe you
No,
had...
don't go there. I'm not like you. I'm happily married and I intend to stay that way.
Who says I care about that?
This guy.
Uh-huh.
Don't you feel lonely sometimes? Let me ask you a question. Don't you feel the need to share your time and money with somebody? Don't you feel the need for regular companionship? Don't you feel that?
And who says I don't get a regular companion? I do, but not just with the same person.
Okay, so the companionship is regular, but the companion is not regular.
Now you get it.
I give up. I give up.
So talking about companion.
Yeah.
Did you go out with the baby last night or you eventually found a good nanny?
No. Went out with my mom. My mother-in-law is around. She took care of the baby.
Esther is around and I didn't know.
I still can't get over the fact that you once dated. This man, you're weird.
Isn't life funny?
You're weird. You once dated my mother-in-law. Bro.
Oh, man.
Okay, so if you if you keep looking at me like that, I'm gonna get you pregnant soon.
Wait a minute. That sounds like a challenge that I'm willing to accept. The question is, are you up for the task?
Of course I am. Definitely. But I'll have to postpone the match for a few hours.
Now look who's running.
I'm not running. It's just that I have a few things to do when I get back. I'll put you in your place.
I like the sound of that. I do want to be put in my place, sir. In fact,
I have a lot of places you could put me in.
Really?
Really.
Okay. I have a lot I don't want to do to you. I had a very bad thing. But now we have to. After I get this deal to close.
All right, hurry back. Quick.
Yeah.
Because I have something you need to open.
Hey, okay.
You're so
You're
actually rushing.
Hey. You missed me so much you couldn't wait. What did you just say? Huh? Hold on. I'll be there in a few minutes. Hold on. Just hold on. I'll be there in a few minutes.
This does not look good at all.
What is it?
Just tell me what's going on with my daughter now, please.
Well, from the result I can see here, it's saying that your daughter has sickle-cell anemia.
Excuse me?
That's not even possible. There's a mistake somewhere. I mean, my genotype, I'm AA, she's AS. How can our daughter
And
possibly
we
be
even
SS?
did the test before we got married.
You understand? So, what's going on?
Well, from the test result here, that's what it's saying. However, we'll have to do another test just to be double sure.
Yes.
And I will also inform the nurses to take your blood samples and check your genotype one more time.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Go over do that because how? Let them run another test. Okay?
It's not even possible.
Okay, I'll get on with it immediately. I don't understand. What do you mean your child is sickle cell? I thought you guys check these things before you get married.
Yes, we do. I'm AA. My wife is AS. Go figure.
So how come? I mean, it doesn't make sense. You guys can have a sickle cell child. Well, I know I didn't pay so much attention in biology class, but at least I know this one. Although sometimes these tests, you have to run them severally to be double sure, Unless you're saying...
No, that's the unless I don't want to talk about, please. I don't even want to think about it. Because if it's what I'm thinking, then somebody's going to die. I'm going to kill somebody.
Oh, shit.
since I got here, she has not talked to me. I don't know what is happening. What is going on here?
That's what I hope to find out. Yeah. That is what I hope to find out. I want to know how. I want to find out from my wife how I have the AA genotype and Bella has the sickle-cell anemia.
God forbid! God forbid! Tell me it's not true.
I don't know. It's very possible. It's not possible, but my daughter has sickle-cell anemia. It's not possible. I don't...
It is possible. That's what it is. The test result confirmed it. And you know, that confirms the constant illness, the persistent crying. What I want to find out now is how. How is that possible? How? Why do I have AA, you are AS, and then Bella up there has SS? How is that possible? Don't tell me to calm down. I want Emanuela here to explain to me why she got impregnated to another man while she was still married here.
No, let's not go to that.
We're already there. Uche, we are there. That's where we are.
Please, my son, calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. Nobody's telling me to calm down.
Calm down.
I'm telling you to calm down.
The baby's crying. You might wake the baby
Tell me to
up.
calm down.
What is all this? It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Bro, I understand how you feel. Honestly, I do. But I need you to take this calmly, at least for now, so you don't end up doing something that you're eventually going to regret.
So let me ask you a question. If you were in my shoes, would you take things calmly?
No, I won't.
And
And I'm not asking you to either.
You just asked me to.
Well, all I'm saying is that you need to be abundantly sure about this before taking any action.
What do you mean I need to be sure? What else is there to be sure about? It's simple now. The woman I married, my wife, got pregnant for another man and made me believe the child is mine. So what else is there to be sure about?
I know this, but you need to be medically sure.
This thing, listen, I don't understand. You keep saying I need to be medically sure. What are you saying exactly? How else is it? How else?
Do a DNA test. Yes, run a DNA test. This way, the medics will prove if the child is yours or not. And I promise you, if the result proves that she's lying to you, I'm going to support whatever decision you take fully.
As you mind, I agree to do this DNA test. What do? I don't even know how to go about it. So
just leave that to me. I'll take care of it.
I called this meeting because of the issues that I've been having with my so-called wife, Ella. It's no longer news. She brought another man's child into my home while she was still married to me. And I played the role of a father to another man's child.
My son.
No, please, let me finish. Please. If not for what had happened, I probably would have fathered more children. I mean, Ella would have been emboldened to bring more children into this home, if not for what happened. But, you know, we thank God for everything.
Hold on, my son. To accuse your wife of infidelity is a big thing. But to accuse her of paternity fraud is a bigger issue. Now, what proof do you have for all these accusations?
Papa, you know me, I'm a very thorough man. I will never lay accusations like this without proof. Apart from the mismatched genotype, because I'm AA, she's AS. It's scientifically impossible to have that child upstairs. That child is SS. It's not possible that I'm the father. Apart from that, in this envelope here, it's the results of a DNA test I conducted a few days ago. You can have a look at it, sir. So I'll ask the question, why? Why did you do this to me? Why did you do this to us?
Patrick, I swear, I have never been with another man since I've been with you. I have been faithful to you. I have never cheated. I don't even know what is happening. I don't know.
Emanuela, what is this? What kind of story is this? I least expected this from a girl like you that I love so much. I love you like my own daughter. Why disappoint me this much? What do you mean you don't know what is happening?
Mama, I swear I don't know what is happening. I have never cheated on him.
Now, why does the DNA test result say something different?
Oh God, I don't know. I don't.
It's okay. It's alright. The reason I called everybody here is to say that I'm done with this marriage.
Patrick, please.
Please, my son, let's not make hasty decision on this. Let's sleep over this.
I've been sleeping over this for a while. And the reason I called you here is out of respect. The respect I have for your family. I'm done. Please, I'll be going away for a few days. By the time I come back here, I don't want to see you or your daughter, or that bastard that you call my child, in this house. Okay?
It's okay, Ella. Ella,
when you're leaving, you drop the key with me.
it's okay, Ella. It's okay. Are you going to abandon her and the baby?
No, what do you mean am I going to abandon her and the baby? Am I supposed to take care of another man's child? No, please. It seems like I'm a fool. When you're done with these tears, you give the key to my father. Please, I'll get it from him. I haven't raised my voice and I called it out of respect for you, man. Please. I'm not a fool. Because this is getting ridiculous, please.
It's okay. It's okay, Ella. It's okay.
Jola called me. She said you haven't been to the office in 2 weeks. And there are a lot of things pending that need your attention. How about? Yeah.
Man. Yeah, there. I'll get to them. I just need some time to myself.
When is that time? Your work is suffering. And all you do is to drink yourself to stupor, both at home and in public places. You were lucky the other day that someone who knew you reached out. That night could have turned out differently, you know.
What would you have me do? I tried to get to the office a few times, couldn't get any work done. And then this house, everything just reminds me of.
There is something I've been wanting to tell you. And I know you wouldn't like it, but I'm going to say it nonetheless. Have you considered forgiving Ella and finding out...
Absolutely not. No. Don't even say that. You promised that you were going to stand by me, whatever decision that I made.
And I'm still going to keep to that promise. Provided you get yourself back together. Not doing this.
Alright, let me just go clean up. I'll call Jealous and can get some work done.
Please. Get yourself together, bro. You can't keep doing this.
Easier said than done, bro. Easier said than done.
I never said it was easy. What I'm saying is, it's doable. And if there is anyone that can rise above this, it's you, Part. I know you. You can do this.
Thanks, man. I needed to hear that.
You're welcome. And you know I mean it. Put yourself together and move on. Please. And we're going to do it. We're going to do this. From this time going forward, no more excessive drinking. Please. Are we okay?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, bring those files to my office in 5 minutes and fill me in on what I missed.
Okay, sir.
I've made it clear on one of your numerous visits here, I mean very clear, that I don't want to see you here again. Yes?
Please. Patrick, look, I'm begging. Okay?
What are you begging for? Why are you begging me? For the numerous times you were cheating on me or pinning another man's child on me? Why are you begging?
Look, listen, I didn't do it. Look, I don't know what's going on. I don't know who is doing this to us.
Nobody's doing anything to us. And frankly speaking, I'm tired of these crocodile tears and your consistent lies.
I swear to you, I'm not lying.
You know, I've moved on. And I suggest you do the same. Yeah. Go back to that man who got you pregnant. I mean, if he's good enough to father your child, then he should be able to make an honest woman of you, so...
Look, Patrick, I don't want anybody else. You're all I want. I love you so much.
No. Now you're beginning to piss me off. You're beginning to piss me off. I've been nothing but civil and respectful to you and your family. But you're stretching my patience, Ella. Stop. Just stop.
I'm begging. Patrick, I'm begging you, please. I don't know anything about it. I don't know what's going on. Patrick, just let me... I don't even know how to explain. I didn't do it.
Ella, leave my office. Leave. Please. And next time I will not be gentlemanly about it. Before you go, I want you to read my lips. I don't want to see you or your bastard anywhere near me.
Patrick, why would you?
I don't want to push you out, just leave.
Ella, Emanuela, come and eat your food. I have told you that it is not good trying for Patrick to reason with you. The young man has made up his mind. He has moved on, and I expect you to do the same.
Mama, I love him. I love him so much. How am I supposed to move on?
Here goes love. Love is not enough. It is not enough. It isn't. Do you understand me, Ella? It is not enough. Your child is up there. She needs you. She needs you. You are ignoring her.
Mama, I understand. But Patrick and I made plans, Mama. We made plans. I'm not supposed to be doing this by myself. We were supposed to be taking turns, taking care of the child.
I know, Ella. I know, Ella. You have to be strong. You have to be strong for your baby. Do you understand me? You have to be strong.
I understand, but it hurts. It really hurts. It hurts being accused for something that I didn't even do. Mama, I swear to you, I swear, I didn't cheat on my husband, I didn't do it.
It's okay. I know you. I am the one who gave birth to you. I know you. I know what you can do and what you cannot do. I know you did not cheat on Patrick. Very soon, the truth will come out. Do you understand? So wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Good. All right. Wipe your tears. Will you eat now?
I need to check on Bella.
Okay, fine. Good.
Oh, I see you're now into sugar.
Bro, I drank a year's worth of alcohol in the last few months. I'm done. I'm done.
You sure did.
Yes, sir.
And I'm glad you're giving it a break finally.
You won't let me hear the last of it, Abby.
Not in a lifetime. It's good to finally see you laugh.
Yes, sir.
I thought you'd forgotten how to laugh.
My brother, I thought I had forgotten how to laugh, It's been crazy this last few months. I know that I've not been the best company, but thank you for being there.
Oh, come on. I know you would do the same for me too.
Of course.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, lest I forget. Esther has been calling me. She called yesterday and today.
Okay, so what does she want? Isn't she tired? What's the problem?
She said her granddaughter has been sick. More sick now than before.
What has that got to do with me? Why are you bringing this to me now? Why are you telling me this?
I know, bro.
Yeah, what? You know what?
And I told her that you have moved on, that you're not on that stage anymore.
Yeah, but so why are you bringing it to me? That's the question I'm asking. Why are you telling me? What have I got to do with that?
Well, they said they were low on funds and they needed some form of help.
Bro, listen, I don't appreciate it. I don't appreciate you bringing this kind of thing to me. I don't get it. Ella got pregnant for another man. So she should be able to take care of it. So why are you bringing it to me? Look, I told you I'm done. Why you know what? Waiter, come, I beg. Let them take
I'm sorry.
No, you know what? In fact, you pay for it. Because I don't understand why you're bringing this thing to me.
Come on, man. We should at least finish the drink. Oh, boy. Let me find trouble now. Imagine.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We have to make arrangements for her burial, okay? We can't continue waiting. We can't. No, Zugo. Oh? Ah, you Zugo.
Sorry.
No, Zugo. It's okay.
I think we should send this one first to them. And we don't ask for others. We don't need to send in anything else. But
Sorry, you were saying?
I'm saying that it doesn't make sense to send everything to them unless... So I know that I can come back later if you need to take the call.
No, it's fine. It's just my, you know what, let me just switch this thing off.
Hope everything is okay, sir.
Easy, bro. Just. Sorry. Me. This man. You can't keep doing this to yourself. Just relax. Seriously, man. You can do better than this. You can't just fall apart at the slightest bad news. No. That's why I reached out to you. I didn't know what else to do. And if I was going to be around, it would have been different. But I can't cancel this trip.
I want to thank you so much. May God bless you. You have always been a good friend to my Patrick, but this one, thank you so much. I thank God you found him when you did. Who would I have told myself? Who would I have told my people? My Patrick? Hey, thank you. Thank you.
I can only imagine what he's going through at the moment. And about Ella and her people, did you reach out to her?
Yes. My husband called them immediately we saw your text yesterday. And so long as they have not returned the bride price, that child is still my Patrick's child.
Oh yeah. I suppose that's why they were trying to reach him yesterday.
I think so too. But not to worry. My husband and his kinsmen, they will take care of that.
It's okay. Alright, now I'll be taking my leave now. I have to hurry. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
My God will bless you. Bless you. Thank you for everything you have done for my son. I appreciate you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
Have a good rest of the day, man.
And you too. Take care of you.
And you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Your friend said he's been calling you and you weren't picking your calls. He said I should tell you that he's arrived safely. I know you've not eaten well in the last 2 days. Or something meaningful. So I took my time went to the kitchen and made your favorite jollof rice with smoked fish. I can't imagine what you're passing through right now. I know it's tough, but I want you to know that I am always here for you. Your family, your friends, myself, all of us are here for you. Okay? I'll leave you to eat your food in peace. Do not hesitate to call me if you need anything. I'll be upstairs. What is it? What is it? Ella, what is it? Oh, come on. I'm here for you. I'm here for you, okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here for you. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, God. God help me. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down.
Someone was hurting her.
She is where no one will hurt her. Do you understand me? She's where no one will hurt her.
She suffered a lot. I didn't give her any attention. We did not give her any attention.
You tried, Bella. You gave her all that you had. Stop beating yourself. Why are you beating yourself? Are you God? Huh?
Mommy.
Yes?
Why does God hate me so much? Why is he punishing me?
There we go again. God does not hate you. On the contrary, God loves you. God loves all his children. He has his reason for what happened. Maybe he's in his plan.
Or does he want me to die?
Oh, God.
Must I die?
Oh, stop that rubbish you're
But
saying.
it's too much.
Stop
It's
that
too much.
rubbish. Look, you have not slept for a while now. You need to take a rest. You need to take a nap. Come on. You have to sleep. Come on. You have to sleep now. Come on, Ella. Oh, God. Ready? Are you done?
Yeah, thank you.
Your water. Okay. Oh, Patrick. His friend Uche came with one of their friends. They said they want to take him to watch football, you know.
Please reduce the volume of this thing. There's something I want to discuss with you.
Oh, really? What could that be?
It's more than 5 months now. They're separated. And it is over 1 month now since that child died. Don't you think it is time for them to start something?
I have been thinking in that direction, no? But I don't know where to start. I don't know. But wait. Did you say do something? You mean?
Yeah, I mean that they should get back together again.
Don't go there. My husband, don't go there at all. Have you forgotten what the issue was? Eh? That child is not Patrick's child. And the Patrick I know will not forgive Ella. He will not forgive that Emmanuel again. He won't.
I don't think she cheated on him.
After all the tests and all the things you saw?
That's the point. I am not convinced that she cheated on him. There must be a mistake somewhere.
Hey, my husband. I am a woman. I know our tricks. I know our tears. That girl cannot fool me. She did it. Believe me when I say she did it. She did it.
You know, from her reaction in all this, I am still not convinced she cheated on him. However, Patrick should just forgive and then move on.
It is not going to work. Stop thinking in that direction, please. I am begging you. It won't work. Patrick will not be able to trust her any longer. Myself here, I won't be able to trust her. I think they should go their separate ways. They should go their separate ways for peace to reign. Simple. Yes.
I would like to discuss the matter with Patrick.
If it's about them coming together, please don't. Allow me to do the talking. Whenever he returns, I'll discuss the matter with him. Okay?
That would be good. So that both of them can just continue with their lives. This thing is watching. I don't seem to understand it. Why not change to a channel where both of us can watch?
Hey, my husband of old. So you don't understand what they're doing? Okay, let me change it for you. You need to grow up. Oh. This is Gen Z. Let me change it for you so you don't understand what they're doing.
Two more deals, bro.
Oh yeah, cheers to more drink.
Two more deals.
Thank you so much for hooking me up to this one.
No, bro. Come on. That's the least I could do. I mean, after everything you've done for me in the past few months, hey.
You're right.
You know?
Talking about the last few months.
Yeah.
I mean, speaking of deals, look at you, 3 o'clock. No, don't turn, just peep.
Okay, what am I supposed to be looking out for?
The girl in black. I'm certain she's been looking at you since we got in here.
Oh, please stop. You're overthinking things, okay? Please.
I'm certain about what I'm saying. This is my thing, bro. This kid's been looking at you since we came in here. Okay, this is what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Just down your glass, and then you walk up to her and ask her for a dance.
No, I don't think I'm there yet. Please. I beg you.
Don't fall my hand now. Come on.
No.
It's been 6 months.
Uh-huh.
You need to move on, bro.
I have one.
Oh, wait.
What?
I think she's coming over
Are
here.
you serious?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, it's fine.
My friends and I are wondering if you would like to join our table. It's my birthday. I'm celebrating with a few of my friends.
Nice.
My name is Ada.
And my name is Uche, and my friend is Patrick.
Hi.
And don't worry, I've paid for everything. So you don't need to be scared. Cool. So,
Yeah, we'll be there immediately.
I don't think,
We'll be there. Okay?
Son? Good morning, Pat. Why are you home earlier than usual?
Oh, I got a call to come to the office. I had a meeting with a client this afternoon, so I had to come back home and rest first before going.
That's all right. I like the fact that you're having fun again and that you're taking your work seriously after all that happened this few months.
Was there any doubt that I would eventually?
I'm just happy that you're going back to your real self, real old self.
I love it too.
Yes, talking about your old self, I want us to talk about something.
I can't see wait, Mommy, I'm tired now.
It cannot wait. Let's sit down, sit down, sit down. Let's talk. I told your father I will have this conversation with you.
What is it? I hope he's okay. I've been meaning to call him, but haven't spoken to him since he left how many weeks ago, so.
He's fine, so fine. It's not about him. It's about Emanuela.
What about her?
Your father is of the opinion that two of you should come back together. That you should reconnect after everything is settled.
What?
It's not my idea. It's not my idea.
Has he forgotten what that woman did to me? Huh?
Exactly what I told him. I told him that both of you should go your separate ways for peace to reign. But you know your father. He's always the optimist.
I made it clear, Mommy, abundantly clear that Ella and I are done. Done! You know what? I think it's time I put a stop to this nonsense.
Pat, what are you going to do? Pat! Huh?
Yes.
I'm looking for Emanuela Patrick.
That's me. How can I help?
I have a package for you. Please sign here.
What?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who was that?
A delivery man.
Okay.
He brought this for me.
All right.
What is he saying? Ella? Are you okay? Ella, are you okay? Chimo! Hey! Ella!
She's stable now. And I'm sure she'll be alright.
Okay.
What did you say happened to her?
She was served a divorce paper by her husband. Or should I say, her ex-husband.
Pat?
Oh, I keep forgetting that the both of you know each other.
Yeah, we do. Just that I have not heard from him for some time now. So, what exactly happened? What did you say? What are you saying?
She was really doing very well. Till the death of her daughter. Then this.
Well, I'm sure she will be better. She will just be under our care for some time. And oh, nurse, is anything the matter?
Yes, sir. So you need to sign this.
Oh, okay. So you tell Doctor. Oh, how about the patient in room 10?
She's responding to her treatment.
Oh, good. Tell Dr. Malaki to help me review her prescription. I'll be away for some days, and after which when I come back, hopefully she'll be discharged.
Okay,
all right?
Thank you.
All right. So, madam, thank you very much. We will, take a look at her for some days, and I'm sure she'll be stable.
Okay. Yeah. I'll pick you up later tonight. All right. I'll call you. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
You going out tonight?
Nothing serious, my man. It's nothing serious. What? It's just the lady from the other night. It's nothing serious. I beg.
Oh man, it's lighting up. Come on. The other day you were saying you weren't ready for this. Nah. See what's making the booty appointment.
It's not. It's not a booty appointment.
It's
It's
what?
just a friendly dinner between a young man and a young woman. Simple.
Friendly bow. Who you want the life for me? Swear you didn't smash that girl the other night.
I didn't. A gentleman never talks. I don't even know why I'm standing here talking to you.
See this Asha woman.
Let me just let me go and jog, because that's what I came here to do. I don't even know what to do.
Let's go, Joe.
All right. So just process the patient's discharge of in room 8, and then also tell the other one in room 3 that they'll be requiring at least 3 pints of blood every week from now henceforth.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So you need to review this.
All right, thank you. I'll do that later.
Okay, sir.
All right, so madam, I'm so sorry. I have an older patient that needed my attention.
It's okay. It's okay, doctor.
All right. The good news is that all the test results are out. All the test results that were conducted.
So what did they say?
And nothing.
What do you mean nothing? What do you mean nothing? My daughter has not talked to me for weeks now. And she has not even eaten or drink water. And you're telling me nothing?
Madam, I understand how you feel, okay? But, I mean, from the test results that we have here, she's okay. Physically, she has nothing to worry about. She's perfectly fine.
So why won't she talk to me? Why won't she talk to me?
Well, that's what I'm getting at. You know, she has had so much bad news in a very short space of time. And this kind of things can get to someone, nervous system, and the person might start reacting. So I think she's in a great shock. I think that's what is going on.
So what do we do? I mean, what are you going to do about it?
Well, I will suggest that you check her into the psychiatric session of the...
God forbid! God forbid! My daughter is not mad! My daughter is not mad!
Calm down, madam. I didn't say she was... Oh, all right, fine. That's a wrong choice of word. Apologies. But I never meant that she was mad or she's mad. What I'm trying to say is that she needs some form of therapy, okay? Maybe a little bit, because those guys at the psychiatric session of the hospital are very good at what they do. Very good at what they do. So I feel if she goes through that session, she'll be fine. Personally, I use the services sometimes. I'm not mad. I've never been mad. So that's not what I'm implying. As a matter of fact, I could give you a note that you take to them and they will attend to her. I can assure you that will improve things. Okay?
Okay, doctor.
Come in. Come in, come in. Daddy. Welcome. Good afternoon, sir.
Is it? Is it really a good afternoon?
Of course, but I haven't seen you in a while, and you didn't tell me you were coming. I would have come to get you from the airport. Please, please, sit. Please. I'm surprised.
Well, how would you have known? You don't answer my calls. You don't reply my messages. How would you have known anything?
I'm really sorry. I made a mental note to call you, but I was going to call you. But anyway, let me get you something to drink now.
Don't bother. I won't be here for long.
But Daddy, you just came now. Yeah? Let me get you something at least.
Look, don't bother. I have something to discuss with you, and it can't wait.
Oh.
And I don't want us to be disturbed.
I hope there's no problem.
There is. Why I've been calling you this last week is that your wife's people called. And they say your wife in the hospital this last month.
Daddy, we've been having this conversation. We've had it before, over and over again. Ella and I are done. We're done for good. Okay. In fact, just last week, I had my lawyer file a motion for divorce, and they sent her the papers. So.
Yes. And immediately she got your court papers. That was when she fell sick. And they said that she has not spoken a word since then.
Daddy, are you? I mean, these are all gimmicks. For somebody who married one of the most dramatic women I know, you're easily swayed.
This is not gimmicks. It is not. Look, the right thing to do is that we should go and see her in the hospital. It is even late, but it is better late than never.
Okay. Daddy, I'm not going anywhere with you. In fact, if you go, just know that you're doing it without my permission. I'm not involved.
Well, look, I know that this last few months have not been ideal. But I strongly advise you to join me to go and see her in the hospital.
I'm not doing that. Okay, you know what, Daddy? If you want to go, you can go. Just give her my best wishes and tell her that I've moved on.
Okay. I just hope that by the time you realize it won't be too late. I'm leaving.
You just go here now.
I've completed my journey. And it wasn't successful. I am leaving.
It's not that serious now, Daddy. It's not that serious now.
Actually, it is.
Oh, good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, sir.
I just came in this afternoon.
Oh,
I had an errand to run.
Oh, I hope you met Pat in the office.
Yes, I did, but not the outcome I hoped for.
Really? Hope everything is okay.
It's the issue about his wife.
Oh. Pat gets rather unreasonable when you mention anything that has to do with Ella nowadays.
Well, I understand she's in the hospital. This for the past months. And I hope you will make out time to go and see her before it is too late.
Is it that serious?
So I was told. I'll be going to the hospital to see her myself.
Okay, sir. All right. You do take care.
You too.
All right. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you. Talk to him.
I will. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you.
Don't worry, Ella. Let me get the drink. Hey, doctor.
How are you?
I hope everything is all right.
Well, I believe so.
Okay. Hey.
Can I come in?
Oh, sure. Why not? Why not? Come in. Come right in. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You didn't tell me you were coming. I would have made something really nice for you. I came to check on you in your office on several occasions, but you were not there.
Yeah. I wasn't on set,
Okay.
you know. But when I resumed this morning, I was told that Miss Manuela has been discharged.
Yes, the doctor said she can stay at home while taking medication. Because staying in a familiar environment could make her rejig her memory. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Is everything okay?
Yes and no. I don't know. Do you remember? Do you remember this, Manuela? Do you remember this lady?
Is this not the nurse at the hospital?
Yes. She's the one. Earlier this morning, a couple came with the police and arrested her. Yeah, she was accused of swapping their baby. Yeah, initially we thought that was a fluke. That was a silly joke because, I mean, considering all the security apparatus we have in the hospital, all the security installments, we wouldn't even imagine that such a thing will occur. Unfortunately, we were wrong because when we got to the police station, when she was queried, it was confirmed that she did it and she has been doing it. And it's been quite a long list of people that she has done it to. Unfortunately, Miss Emanuela's baby was one of the babies that was swapped.
Hey! Ekukwamia! Ekukwamia! Hey! Ekukwamia!
Doctor.
Hey!
My baby. You mean...
What is it, Emanuela? Ella?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
What is it? What is it, Emanuela?
Well, madam, I feel you should, look at the brighter side of life. The shock for the past few days probably have, helped her to regain her memory. And although that will come to, some grief, but with you by her side, I believe that will be sorted.
It's okay.
Yeah.
But the woman, the nurse, what did she say she did with the babies? How can we locate the people that she swapped their babies?
Well, the police are handling the matter.
Okay.
I believe that the nurse is also with the police. And if there's any new developments, I will let you know.
Okay.
Albeit, I've been trying to reach across to Patrick, but I've not been able to get a hold of him. So please, if you can, help us reach across to him and let him know about the new development, okay?
Okay.
I will run along now.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is a lie. That's a big fat lie.
I know you will say that. That's why I bought 3 different newspapers. It's all over the news. You can go to the police station and confirm your child was swapped in the hospital. And you maltreated your wife and abandoned her when she needed you most.
Patrick!
Bro.
Patrick! I don't like his mood right now.
messed up. Ah, I messed up.
We messed up, bro. How could we not have thought for a minute that Ella was saying the truth?
Man, I've messed up my life.
The nurse should take a larger share of the blame. She messed up big time. How could she have done that?
God.
What are you going to do now?
I don't know. What can I do? I don't know. Bro, I've messed up big time. My father told me that when I eventually realized it might be too late. Look at this now.
Too late? Is Ella dead?
No. Why would you say that? No, I don't know.
Because if Ella is not dead, I don't understand why you should be talking about it being too late. Oh yeah, I knew I'll find you here.
I guess you heard what happened, right?
Yeah. Your mother told me I stopped by at your place. All your lines have been switched off.
Yeah, I just want to be alone like this. I want to drink and sleep.
And what happens afterwards? All your problem goes away? Don't you think you're giving up too soon?
Too soon? Did you say too soon? Do you know how many times I've tried to reach her? Over a dozen times. I've had everything done to me. I've had water thrown on me. I've had my gifts rejected. They don't even want to listen to what I have to say. They're acting as if it's my fault. I'm a victim here as well.
I know you're a victim.
Yeah, so...
But you also acted like an asshole. You have a share of the blame. No, see, I'm not blaming you for your reactions. I'm only saying that these people haven't done a quarter of what you did to them when you thought she cheated on you. So come of it and stop acting irrationally. And, bro, I'm on your side. I'm here to help you.
My daughter, you and Patrick have been together for more than 7 years. You are practically my daughter. That was why in all this, I did not give up. I am glad that you were right. You have been vindicated. It is said that people who are going to hurt us most are the people we love most. I am sorry for what you have gone through. But this is life. I want you to promise me that at least in all this, let us not lose the present, but chart a better way for ourselves. I am here today because I want your union to succeed. And let me tell you something. I am a big fan of your union. If there is anything, in fact, if there is even a 1% chance for this union to succeed, I am ready to give my life. Patrick has said his own, but I want you to go through this therapy session, bearing in mind that it is a favor you are doing to me. And if at the end it does not succeed, I will not force you. Whatever decisions you take, I will abide by it. But promise me one thing, that at least you will try.
So that's why I'm here. I made a promise.
Since you already have a commitment, you have to keep it.
Well, speaking of commitments, I have one I want to ask.
Of me? I mean, anything.
No,
Go
no.
ahead.
Of Patrick.
Okay, please, go ahead.
Amazing. I sent you a mail this morning. I don't know if you got it. Right. In it are revised terms of divorce settlement by my lawyer. Okay? I need you to sign it, okay? Sorry, how long is this therapy session to last?
3 months. 13 weeks to be precise.
Okay. I promise if you sign it, I will not file it until we're done with this session. How about that?
No, I can't sign it.
Okay. Look, I assure you, I am going to show up for the entire 3 months. But if you don't sign it, then you know what's going to happen. Your choice.
Okay, how about we do it this way? Mr. Patrick, you sign the documents. And Miss Ella, you move into your matrimonial home. I mean, by that, everyone gets a fair share. And by the end of this 3-month session, we get to know the resolve and then what prevails.
No. There is no way that is going to happen. No way in hell. I don't want to be anywhere near him.
Well, then I'm not going to sign the document.
Miss Ella, you know you're not performing any wifely duties, right? Just move into the house with him. That's all.
Fine. We'll sign the documents and send them back.
Sign it when you move into the guest room.
Alright, I'll see you this evening.
Yeah, see you this evening.
And I guess I'll see you guys next week.
I got something for you.
I don't want it.
Don't you at least want to see what it is?
I am not interested in whatever it is. Okay? I don't want it. Can you just leave me and let me go back to what I was doing?
Okay, Ella, can we talk, please? Please.
I don't feel like talking.
Ella.
Don't.
Wait. Let me apologize. I'm saying I'm sorry. Sorry for everything that I did to you. I'm sorry for abandoning you. I'm sorry for doubting you. I'm sorry for all the vile things that I said and I did to you. I'm sorry.
Okay, so now that you've said sorry, what's supposed to happen? Does your sorry take away the pain that I feel? Does it clear the embarrassment that you gave me? Does it bring back my child? Answer me, I'm talking to you.
What would you have me do? Every day, I've tried to make amends every day. I want you to see how truly sorry I am. I'm sorry.
Well, maybe it's not enough, okay? Maybe it is not enough. It doesn't take away the pain. It's not enough.
So you want me to feel physical pain?
Yes, I want you to feel pain. I do want you to
do what you want to do. Do, it's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know how we can move past this, but we're going to try. You're the only woman I've ever loved. And if there's anything recent events have taught me is that I can't imagine being with another woman who's not you. I spoke to the inspector earlier and he assured me that they're doing everything they can to trace the couple with our child. I will spare nothing to see that our child is brought back to us. And I'll spend the rest of my life trying to make it up to you. Because I love you. And please forgive me. Babe! We're gonna be late.
I'm coming, I'm almost ready.
Said that 10 minutes ago. Okay.
Okay. Oh, alright. Ready to go?
Come here.
What's going on?
Come into my arms. God, you are so beautiful. Oh, let me take a look at that work of art. I did that.
Yes, you did.
Don't look at me like why are you looking at me like that?
What? What is
You know that was what landed us here in the first place, right?
You could do it again, baby.
No, we're not doing it again. You're not the one carrying it. We're not doing it again.